Reflected light microscopy, including epifluorescent microscopy, relies on eliminating a sample and detecting the reflected or emitted light from the sample. Fluorescence microscopy is used for viewing samples that have fluorescent probes, whether it be fluorescent stains, fluorescent proteins, fluorescently labeled antibodies, fluorescent metals or nanoparticles. The fluorescent source appears as a bright signal against a dark background. For fluorescence imaging, make sure that the epifluorescence lamp is on, the light intensity is stable, the neutral density filters are removed, and the field and aperture stops are open to begin with. Mount your sample on the microscope with the cover slip facing the objective and focus on the sample. Make sure to turn the bright field light off. Turn the emission turret so that the correct filter is in place for your fluorescent signal of interest. Make sure the light is directed to the eyepieces. Open the fluorescence shutter to illuminate your sample. Now focus on your sample again, and you may find the focus has shifted. First, adjust the field stop so that you can just see the edges of the polygon. Now adjust the aperture stop to achieve maximum contrast. Close the shutter, change filters, open the shutter and observe the different fluorescently labeled structures in your sample.